Good morning, student. Today we discuss about the electrical property of substance. Electrical property of substance. On the basis of electrical property, the substance is divided into three types: conducted, semiconducted, and insulated. Conducted, semiconducted, and insulated. Generally, we know the conducted by which heat and electricity passes through it easily. Through semiconductor, heat and electricity passes partially, and insulated are those substances by which heat and electricity do not passes easily. But here discuss about the electrical property of conducted, semiconductor, and insulated on the basis of their conductivity range. Firstly, we discuss about the resistivity and conductivity. Resistivity and conductivity. Electrical conductivity is the reciprocal of the resistivity. Electrical conductivity is the reciprocal of resistivity. Electrical conductivity is the reciprocal of the resistivity. Whereas resistivity is the property of solid to resist flow of electricity. And conductivity is the property to conduct electricity. The mathematical formula of resistivity is rho is equal to RA by L. Rho is equal to RA by L. Rho resistivity, R resistance, L length of the void, and A cross sectional area of the void. We repeat again. Rho is equal to RA by L, where rho resistivity, R resistance of the void, L length of the void, and A cross sectional area of the void. The unit of resistivity will be ohm metered. The SI unit of resistivity ohm metered. Ohm metered. Conductivity is the reciprocal of resistivity. Thus, its unit will be per ohm per meter. The unit of conductivity per ohm per meter. Its SI unit is also Siemens per meter. The SI unit of conductivity is also Siemens per meter. Siemens per meter. First, we discuss about conductor on the basis of their conductivity range. Conductor are substance having conductivity range 10 to the power 4 to 10 to the power 7 per ohm per meter. We repeat again. Solid having magnitude of range of conductivity from 10 to the power 4 to 10 to the power 7 per ohm per meter are classified as conductor. Metals are good conductor of electricity. Silver has conductivity in the order of 10 to the power 7 per ohm per meter. Is considered as very good conductor. We repeat again. The conductivity range of conductor is 10 to the power 4 to 10 to the power 7 per ohm per meter. Metals are good conductor of electricity. Having conductivity range of the order 10 to the power 7 per ohm per meter. Insulated. Next, insulated. Solid having range of conductivity from 10 to the power 20 to 10 to the power minus 10 per ohm per meter as considered as insulated. Solid having range of conductivity from 10 to the power minus 20 to 10 to the power minus 10 per ohm per meter are considered as insulated. Semiconductor. Solid having solid having intermediate range of conductivity, that is from 10 to the power minus 6 to 10 to the power 4 per ohm per meter are called semiconductor. We repeat again. The conductivity range of semiconductor 10 to the power minus 6 to 10 to the power 4 per ohm per meter. Conduction of electricity in metals. Metals show electrical conductivity because of movement of electron. Electrolytes show electrical conductivity because of movement of ions. Metals show electrical conductivity in solid and molten state both, while electrolytes show electrical conductivity in molten state and aqueous solution. Conductivity in metal depend upon presence of unpaired electron in their valence shell per atom. Electrons present in valence shell of metals are free to move and allow conducting electricity in metals. Energy level, that is atomic orbital, with electrons and vacant energy level present in metal have, if minute difference in energy, they together are called energy band or simply band. The empty energy level or unoccupied energy level are known as conduction band also, since they help in conduction of electricity. When partially filled energy level are too close or overlap with unoccupied energy level or conduction band, electron can easily flow between them under the electrical field. Because of flow of unpaired electron from unoccupied energy level to conduction band, metals conduct electricity. Explanations of conductor, semiconductor, and insulator on the basis of band theory. Each substance have two type of bond, valency band and conduction band. Conduction band is empty and valency band have valence electron. When we pass electricity, then electron is jump from the conduction band to the jump from valency band to the conduction band and further jump from the next valency band to next conduction band. In this way, electrons, that is electricity, is comes from one end to the another end. In conductor, valency band and conduction band both are overlapped to each other. In conductor, valency band and conduction band both are overlapped to each other. Hence, electron can easily jump from the valency band to the conduction band. Thus, conduct Thus, metals are good conductor of electricity. In insulated, the large gapping between valency band and conduction band. Thus, electron cannot jump from valency band to the conduction band. Thus, it is bad conductor of electricity. In the case of semiconductor, some gapping between the valency band and conduction band, and some electron can jump from the valency band to the conduction band. Thus, it have intermediate range of conductivity. Next, next topic: types of semiconductor. Types of semiconductor. Semiconductor have intermediate range of conductivity. Its conductivity is rises when is doping with the some impurities. The semiconductor are two types: intrinsic semiconductor and second dop doped semiconductor. Intrinsic semiconductors show very low conductivity and thus cannot be used practically. Thus, the conductivity of intrinsic semiconductor is increases by adding suitable impurities. Addition of appropriate amount of suitable impurity to elements such as intrinsic semiconductor is called doping. Doping is done with electron rich or electron deficient element. To the intrinsic semiconductor, doping with electron rich or electron deficient element create electronic defect in semiconductors. Intrinsic semiconductor examples like germanium, it have very low conductivity, but its conductivity is increases when it mix with some impurities. That is, intrinsic semiconductor are the are pure form, and doped semiconductor is formed when some impurities is mixed in the intrinsic semiconductor. Doping semiconductor is also classified into two types on the basis of impurities, type of impurities. Dop semiconductor is also classified into two types on the basis of uh, type of impurities is mixed on it. First, n-type semiconductor, and second, p-type semiconductor. N-type semiconductor, doping with electron-rich impurities to form n-type semiconductor. N-type of semiconductor, silicon and or germanium are doped with electron-rich impurities to increase their electrical conductivity. Semiconductors so formed after are called N-type semiconductor. Silicon and germanium each has 4 valence electrons as they belong to 14th group of periodic table. Arsenic and phosphorus belong to 15th group of periodic table and they have valence electron equal to 5. When silicon or germanium is doped with phosphorus or arsenic, 4 electron of phosphorus or arsenic out of 5 make covalent bond with 4 electron of silicon or germanium, leaving 1 electron free, which increase the electrical conductivity of silicon or germanium. Since the electrical conductivity of silicon or phosphorus is increased because of negative charge particles electron, thus this is known as N-type of semiconductor. We repeat again, N-type semiconductor is formed by doping of electron-rich impurities. N-type semiconductor is formed by the doping of electron-rich impurities. Electron-rich impurities means यदि सेमीकंडक्टर जिस ग्रुप का है उससे हायर ग्रुप के मेंबर की कोई एलिमेंट्स को डॉपिंग करते हैं, जैसे जर्मेनियम ग्रुप 14th का एलिमेंट है, ग्रुप 15th के एलिमेंट का डॉपिंग करेंगे तो ग्रुप 15th के एलिमेंट की वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन 5 होता है, ग्रुप 14th के एलिमेंट की वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन 4 होता है। तो ग्रुप 15th के एलिमेंट का डॉपिंग कर रहे हैं 14th में, तो एन टाइप सेमीकंडक्टर बनेगा क्योंकि 14th के रिस्पेक्ट में ग्रुप 15th का एलिमेंट इलेक्ट्रॉन रिच है, इम्प्यूरिटीज़ के फॉर्म में ग्रुप 15th का एलिमेंट डाल रहे हैं, तो इलेक्ट्रॉन रिच इम्प्यूरिटी डाल रहे हैं तो एन टाइप सेमीकंडक्टर बनेगा। मान लीजिए 14 की क्रिस्टल है, 14 का है सेमीकंडक्टर और उसमें डॉपिंग कर रहे हैं 16th का मेंबर, तो 16th ग्रुप 16th एलिमेंट हैव वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन 6। और इस ग्रुप के जो मेंबर्स होगा वो इलेक्ट्रॉन रीच होगा ग्रुप 14th के मेंबर्स के रिस्पेक्ट में। तो एन टाइप सेमीकंडक्टर की फॉर्मेशन होगा जब हायर ग्रुप मेंबर की इम्प्यूरिटीज को डालेंगे। इसका जस्ट रिवर्स होता है पी टाइप सेमीकंडक्टर। पी टाइप सेमीकंडक्टर डॉपिंग विथ इलेक्ट्रॉन डिफिशिएंट इम्प्यूरिटीज। p-type semiconductor electrical conductivity of silicon or germanium is doped with elements such as boron, aluminum or gallium, which belong to group 13 in the periodic table also. Element belong to group 13 have valence electron equal to 3. 3 valence electron present in these element makes covalent bond with 3 electron present in valence shell out of 4 of silicon or germanium, leaving 1 electron delocalized. The place from where 1 electron is missing is called electron hole or electron vacancy. When the silicon or germanium is placed under electrical field, electron from mixed boron atom fill the electron hole. But in doing so, another electron hole is created at the place of movement of electron. In the influence of electrical field, electron move towards positively charged plate through electron hole as appearing. The electron hole as positively charged and are moving towards negatively charged plate. Semiconductor formed by the doping with electron deficient impurities are called p-type semiconductor. We repeat again. p-type semiconductor is formed by the doping of electron deficient impurities. मान लेते हैं ग्रुप 13th की कोई मेंबर्स है, जर्मेनियम या गैलियम, कोई भी मेंबर्स है, ये सेमीकंडक्टर है, इंट्रिंसिक सेमीकंडक्टर है। इसमें हम लोग डॉप करते हैं जर्मेनियम में यदि हम लोग डॉप करते हैं ग्रुप 13 का कोई मेंबर, ग्रुप 14 के मेंबर जर्मेनियम है, इसके वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन 4 होता है और एक इंट्रिंसिक सेमीकंडक्टर है, इसमें डॉपिंग करते हैं ग्रुप 13 का कोई मेंबर। ग्रुप 13 के मेंबर गैलियम है, बोरॉन है, एल्युमिनियम है, इनमें से किसी को भी डॉप करेंगे, क्योंकि इस सब की वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन 3 होता है और ग्रुप 14 के एलिमेंट की वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन 4 होता है। जब 13 के मेंबर्स को इसमें डॉप करेंगे इम्प्योरिटीज़ के रूप में, तो इलेक्ट्रॉन होल क्रिएट होगा और जो सेमीकंडक्टर की फॉर्मेशन होगा उसको हम लोग कहेंगे पी टाइप सेमीकंडक्टर। एक बार फिर से सुन लेंगे, पी टाइप सेमीकंडक्टर इज फॉर्म बाय द डोपिंग ऑफ electron deficient impurities and n type semiconductor is formed by the doping of electron rich impurities। इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस भी आपसे पूछा जाएगा, बराबर बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन में पूछा जाता है कि जर्मेनियम इज डॉप्ड विथ आर्सेनिक, विच टाइप ऑफ सेमीकंडक्टर इज फॉर्म। जर्मेनियम इज डॉप्ड विथ आर्सेनिक, जर्मेनियम को डॉपिंग करते हैं आर्सेनिक के साथ, किस टाइप का सेमीकंडक्टर बनेगा। तो हम लोग को पता होना चाहिए कि जर्मेनियम 14 की मेंबर है और आर्सेनिक ग्रुप 15 की मेंबर है। आर्सेनिक इम्प्यूरिटीज़ के रूप में डाल रहे हैं, इलेक्ट्रॉन रीच है जर्मेनियम के रिस्पेक्ट में, तो एन टाइप सेमीकंडक्टर की फॉर्मेशन होगा। वहीं इसी तरह के क्वेश्चंस रहे, व्हाट टाइप ऑफ सेमीकंडक्टर इज फॉर्म व्हेन जर्मेनियम इज डॉप विथ गैलियम। अब जर्मेनियम में गैलियम को डालते हैं तो गैलियम ग्रुप 13 का मेंबर है, इसकी वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन 3 होता है। जर्मेनियम 14 की मेंबर था, उसकी वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन 4 था। तो गैलियम इलेक्ट्रॉन डिफिशियंट है जर्मेनियम के रिस्पेक्ट में, तो 10 पी टाइप सेमीकंडक्टर इज फॉर्म, पी टाइप सेमीकंडक्टर की फॉर्मेशन होगा। ये था टाइप्स ऑफ सेमीकंडक्टर, पी टाइप सेमीकंडक्टर एंड एन टाइप सेमीकंडक्टर। Application of n-type and p-type semiconductor. Both n-type and p-type semiconductor are used in making electronic components as diode. This is the combination of n-type and p-type semiconductor as integrated circuit, in photoelectric cell, as transistor to amplify radio and audio signal. Diode, a p-type semiconductor and an n-type semiconductor combined to form a junction is known as p-n junction diode. A n-type semiconductor, a p-type semiconductor and a n-type semiconductor are combined to form a triode. इस तरह से डायोड ट्रायोड सबकी प्रिपरेशन होता है, हालांकि इसके बारे में आप पूरे डिटेल से फिजिक्स में पढ़ेंगे, सेमीकंडक्टर एक चैप्टर्स है वहाँ पर। तो ये था इलेक्ट्रिकल प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ सबस्टेंस। इसी के साथ इलेक्ट्रिकल प्रॉपर्टी ख़त्म हो गया। चलिए आज इतना ही।